The cooperation means that the units are able to be coordinated automatically without the use of a central server coordinating the system. So that if a unit detects some strange event, it is able to broadcast an alarm on the network, and all the other units listening to the network are able to understand this alarm and to rush to the alarm location if they are able to have a different perspective of the alarm location as well. So that yeah, if I have a camera performing content analysis, for example, on the gate, let's say on the gate, and there is a guy crossing the gate, this camera is able to send a message to the network in order to have help from the other camera which are able to watch the gate. So I will have a main view of the gate and two or more, it depends on the system, two or more different perspective of the gate. And yeah, this is automatic because the units all the time are exchanging information about what is happening on my site. I have different perspective of the alarm location. Smart video patrolling is another benefit of the cooperation. In the usual system, if I have a number of PDZ camera performing patrol on the site, I have a random movements. I have all the camera which moves from a preset position to the next, and so on, maybe randomly or maybe in sequence. But in this case, I don't have an optimized patrol because each unit doesn't know what other units are doing. Each unit doesn't know where other units are watching, so that I can have overlaps view or I can lose something. If the system is able to exchange information about the camera position, about the directions, it means that all the units can cooperate, can coordinate each other in order to provide the best coverage of the site in terms of coverage, so that we can avoid to have overlap view, or we can optimize the coverage of the site with a minimum number of cameras. Fault tolerant and automatic redundancy means that due to the fact that the units are constantly exchanging information on the network, it means that they are aware of which units are alive or not, so that if a unit doesn't hear from the network the signal coming from other units, it means that some unit is experiencing something wrong. It means that it can react to this event in order to take its duties. Okay, so we have a very fault tolerant system. In the centralized system, if my central point is experience something wrong, I lose the system. I cannot perform any more video content analysis. I cannot perform any more recording, for example. With a distributed system, all the pieces are spread among on the network, so I don't have a weak point. Plus, if the units are able to talk each other, each piece of the of the system is aware if any unit is having some problem, so that it can react to this event as well. So that the information are exchanged peer-to-peer, so I don't need anymore to have a central point. And this is the unit, Albert, the video agent. It's basically a video server with these enhanced capabilities that we were talking about. Cooperation, a video content analysis on board, video recording on board inside an optional hard disk, and telemetry control for PDZ cameras. And okay, audio, input and outputs. It has digital inputs and digital outputs to control, to be integrated in existing system, for example. It's full compatible with other vendor camera. We mainly use this system with our PDZ camera, but the system is very open to be used with other PDZ cameras. Thank you.
Let's thank Videotec Daniele Bottini. Thank you. So remember handing your questionnaire